Stop focusing on views if you want to make money with your personal brand, selling courses and mentorship. My name is Edward Cash. I personally scaled my own info business into multiple six-figure annual info business, and I coach coaches do the same exact thing. Now, the reason why I said that you need to stop focusing on views is because views is a bad metric to sell courses and mentorships, because those views don't necessarily want to buy your courses and mentorships if you do it the wrong way. The way that most people do it, they focus on views. They just try to go viral every single time. They start to posting some entertainment, some BS that doesn't really convert viewers into buyers, and they just want to go viral every single time. They just focus only on the viewer metric. Now, the reason why that is bad is because when they post entertainment, they post everything, they try to please everyone, they may get views. And that's the bad thing, because they think that they're doing something right, but in reality, they're building an audience that will never buy from them. Because as soon as you mention your product, your service, your mentorship, your course, they're gonna be like, what? Why would I buy this? Because you are posting some entertainment, and now you wanna sell a coaching on fitness, on trading, on e-commerce. Doesn't make sense, right? Because these people are going to be like, wow, this guy's a scammer, he's a fake guru. Because most of the time when you post entertainment and focus on views, you just get people like that who have that mindset, who will never get rich. So you don't want to attract those kind of people. That's why focusing on views will actually hurt your info business. It will actually put you down. Now, the way you should actually, the thing that I teach to my students is this. You have to start posting to a specific audience. Now, first of all, you have to obviously find your niche. How do you want people to know you for? You have to find a problem that you solved in that field, and you start talking about it online. You start to post to that specific audience on social media, right? So let's say I'm a guy who's into fitness, and in that fitness field, I'm not just gonna talk fitness in general. I'm gonna talk about the problem that I solved in that field. So let's say I went from fat to fit. That's a great problem solved. Now, obviously, I need to start posting content that is related to that topic, to that problem that I solved. A video example. How did I go from fat to fit? Step by step. That's one video. The best meal prep for people who want to lose weight. That's also one, right? So you have to start posting to that specific avatar. You first of all need to create your avatar, okay? He's fat, he wants to get fit, and he sees me as an authority because I had that same exact transformation. Now, from there, it's easy to convert these people into buying customers, because now you're selling a product that literally solves that issue as well, because obviously your product should be related to that problem as well. So let's say if I post to obese people who want to go from fat to fit, I create a product, a 90-day program that literally step by step will guide you to the right path, losing weight and getting ripped and fit, just like I did. And obviously, once you start to get those testimonials from these guys, you get them results. That's even better, because now you have proof of concept, right? People join your mentorship, and now they're getting results. The new viewers are gonna see that, wow, this guy actually knows what he's doing. His students are getting results. He's getting results. So why not me? That's the mindset that will literally get to them, right? So that's why you have to start focusing on views. Views don't matter. I mean, views matter if you post to that specific audience. Then they really do matter, because then it's easy to convert. If you have a lot of viewers, if you have a big audience in that specific niche, those people who want to get that problem solved, then it's amazing. But the way that most people do it, they just want to go viral. They look at what's the new thing, the new hot thing that gets views. That's bad, okay? That's actually negative. That's actually worse than, starting from the bottom, because when you start to gain that audience of people who don't like you, they will destroy your new views. They will destroy your metrics. They will destroy your algorithm, because they will not click on the new video where you try to sell your program. Like, this is how it goes. So what you have to do now, step by step, is find your niche, find the problem that you solved, and start posting to that specific audience, right? Start posting about that stuff. Okay, for me, how did I start? The first thing that I started posting was not teaching people how to grow their online info business. I started from trading niche, because I became profitable at trading. That's a huge problem solved. So I started to post to unprofitable traders who want to go from unprofitable to profitable, right? That's a huge problem that they need to solve. and I'm gonna sell a mentorship to them. Now, because I scaled that info business into multiple 6 figures annual info business, I realized that that's the method. I want to teach people how to do that. And now what do? I help coaches and mentors scale their online info business. Okay, and what am I doing right now? I'm helping you solve that problem. I'm helping you to grow your online info business pretty much from scratch now, because if you're just focusing on trying to get views, you're kind of in the beginning, but don't worry, because steps has to be taken, right? So if you right now have your niche, you have the problem that you solve, you have to start posting to those kind of people. Okay, you have to make sure that they understand that they have the problem, because that's a pain. We have to understand that humans want to avoid pain more than they want to feel pleasure. So you have to take advantage of that pain. Make sure that they understand that they're fat. Hey, you're fat, and I can solve that problem. Oh, you're not profitable trading, I can solve that problem. One problem that most people also do when they want to grow their business, they start to look at people like Mr. Beast, take their advice, how to get views. But you have to understand, Mr. Beast is posting entertainment, right? The whole mission, the whole obstacle that people who want to entertain people is just for them to watch their video and just to get entertained. That's the next topic. They want to just go viral. But when you try to take those people's advice, you're kind of going in the wrong path, to be honest. Okay, remember that you're a business. You're not just a social media content creator who posts everything. You're a business that solves problems, and you sell mentorships and courses to solve that problem. Okay, and you use social media to ramp up that presence of you. You can solve that problem to them. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment it down below, like, subscribe, and as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.